Find the derivative of f of t equals the cubed root of t. Then evaluate f prime of 8. F of t involves a root, it's the cubed root of t, which can be written as a fractional exponent. T is being raised to the 1 power inside of the root, so t to the 1, and then because it's a cubed root, over 3, t to the 1/3. Now that we've rewritten it as an exponent, we can use the power rule for the derivative. F prime of t will be, bring down the power, multiply it, so 1/3, t to the 1/3 minus 1, which you can then get a common denominator of 1/3 minus 3/3, and it'll be 1/3 t to the 1/3 minus 3/3 is negative 2/3. Now because it's a negative exponent, it can be moved to the denominator and renamed a positive exponent. And you can write it down as 1 over, the t will have moved down with the 3 in the denominator, 3t to the 2/3. The next step is to evaluate f prime of 8. Which will be 1 over 3 times 8 to the 2/3. Now the 2/3 power means the cube root for the 3 and the square power for the 2. You can square and then take the cube root, or you can take the cube root first and then square. It's usually easier to take the root first. So the 3 in the fractional exponent means the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is a 2. It's still raised to the 2 power from the numerator of the fraction. And it'll be 1 over 3 times 2 squared, which is 1 over 3 times a 4. And 3 times 4 is a 12. So 1 over 12.